everybody, this is Christy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce my product, agricultural spring drums. The whole set here, okay? Let's take a look in details. So it's got 4 arms and 4 high pressure nozzles. It can spray 5 to 7 hectares per hour. We use like carbon fiber materials for the propellers and the arms, the folding joints. Okay, let's take a look. The folding joints and the landing gear is made of aviation aluminum alloy, so it's very firm and very durable. The whole drum is waterproof. This customized logo as well. We can print on your name and your company name, or even your contact details here. Here for the battery room. So when the battery connected to the drum, it will switch on automatically. And here for the water tank. So here got the FPV camera and the 2 LED lights. So we can see the image and the situation on the application transferred by the drone. And behind is the water pumps. It can use more than 500 hours. The water pump flow is around 5 liters per minute. And this is the obstacle avoidance radar. So if any obstacle in front of the drum within 5 meters, it will detect it and will stop, so make the flight more safe. So it's foldable design. So very easy and convenient to transfer to your farm. You can just put on in your car, okay? So this is all the complete kit of this 10-liter kg model with low price. We do have free online training and lifetime after sales service. So we are direct manufacturing of agricultural spring drums. So you are always welcome to contact us to get more details.